Um,
The paved paradise left me a broken refrigerator.
is your refrigerator running? It's not.
Uh-huh.
It's staying right there. um,
Name it. Oh, should that be a character? Broken refrigerator. Broken refrigerator guy. Oh, hey, what's up, fam? It's me, broken refrigerator guy.
uh,
How's
oh,
it
hey man,
going?
what's up?
Oh, not much. Just chilling. Ha ha ha.
This guy, he makes me laugh. Uh,
That's what I'm here for. I'm not here for keeping your produce or food cold. I'm just here to make you laugh.
well, that's why I haven't gotten rid of you yet. I mean, sure, I would like you to keep my food cold, but at least you make me laugh, and that's nice.
I may not be full of ice, but I am full of humor.
To the
I might
brim.
not. Wait, hold on. Let me read. Let me revise that. I might not be full of good humor ice cream, but I am full of good humor in general.
Oh, buddy.
All right, bye, broken refrigerator guy. All right, see you guys.
Bye, man. See you later. We're like, we're slowly, watch out, Pee Wee Herman.
Uh huh.
Watch out, Pee Wee
No,
Herman.
it's a sign that we're doing well, making inanimate objects talk and introducing them as characters in our universe. This quarantine's going great, folks.
La di da.
Keeping it together.